The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. A monumental day for cryptocurrency. So many stories await our discussion. With Gary Gensler's official announcement, XRP prices skyrocketed. His resignation as SEC chair was inevitable, as we all knew. The day of his inauguration will be his last. I can just sit here and not offer my opinion on the matter. Yes, we get it. Everything was a part of our lives. We have been free of the brutal rule of Gary Gensler for the past 4 years. The moron is going to be fired soon. Not only XRP, but the entire market is reacting, as you can see. Cryptos are up today, and it's a wonderful day for mankind overall, because we got rid of that jerk. Examine the Bitcoin market. The price of 100,000 coins is going to drop, because we are so near to breaking through the $100,000 barrier, just approximately $1,000 away. What matters is that we decide how high to go. The price of XRP has soared 23% today. There is a strong correlation between Gary Gensler's resignation and a lot of that. Now that we're in the short-term, exciting moments, with XRP having a lot of value drivers, the price is $39, but if we were sued a month from now, it would drop to a much lower level. This time, no. Never again, ever again. All we're going to do is examine this. This tweet will do for now. It is once again January 20th, 2025. So they're resigning. I don't think much else needs to be stated. It seems like Wisdom Tree's workload is spot on with the arrival of tangible XRP, and TP virtual currency has no tangible form. While ETPs are based in Europe, Wisdom Tree has announced that spot XRP trading will begin soon. Keep in mind that there are other markets besides the US. There are many great capital markets in this vast world, and the adoption of cryptocurrencies is only going to increase. In a related but still bullish story, Charles Hoskinson predicts that the security problem with tokens will be solved by 2025, which would be a huge step forward. Over time, that has been one of the issues. Okay, there's more to it than that, but that's a major one since it opens the door for everyone to utilize this technology, banks, anyone attempting to tokenize a RWA, etc., without fear of violating security laws. Additionally, business owners that are interested in creating future systems have a good idea of what needs to be done, and Charles predicts that it will be done next year. Although stable coins are likely to be addressed first, the implementation of rules in 2025 amidst a bull run will cause chaos. Take a quick look at the plot. I have not purchased cryptocurrency, and now I feel foolish, Charles Schwab, CEO, just said. There will be plenty who share that sentiment. It is our company's goal to provide direct crypto offerings as well. Our confidence in the correct regulatory climate has been building, and we have been patiently waiting for it to shift, Charles Schwab. We anticipate that it will be resolved soon. All these brokerages and financial gurus are going to get on the crypto bandwagon when it comes. Although I may be able to acquire a lesser share of crypto enthusiasts' businesses or investment portfolios in a different manner, the sum of all of their money will rush into it, making a huge difference. MicroStrategies are falling out of favor. It has fallen 21% today alone. Excuse me, what's up? Bitcoins are soaring to new heights at a micro level. Okay, cratering. It all starts with this tweet from Citron Research, though. Even though it's been almost 4 years since Citron first informed readers that MicroStrategy was the best method to invest in Bitcoin, they still wonder how this one has stood the test of time. The results are indisputable, you know. Personally, I still prefer to hold Bitcoin directly. However, when you consider the tremendous increase, it becomes clear that MicroStrategies are costing a pretty penny when compared to the value of Bitcoin it currently contains. And the theory, I suppose, is that by issuing stock and comparing it with leverage, they believe they can grow, and will grow, more rapidly than Bitcoin alone. Yeah, this probably won't hold up, Citron says. We have initiated a short position since we do not believe it is worthy of the premium. I suppose that's why the market is responding to it. It doesn't seem like this will be a major problem to me. Regardless of your feelings about Michael Saylor or Bitcoin, I am warning you that MicroStrategies is a ticking time bomb because they need to continue expanding while taking on more debt and leverage. However, I do believe that we are about to enter a very bullish period where MicroStrategies will be very safe and they will be setting record profits. There will be disasters, bear markets, and everything in between. Things like that, and they'll be heavily indebted to an extremely risky asset. What you want to sell is irrelevant, as I said before. People can sell cryptocurrency at any hour of the day or night in an emergency, so it all depends on what you can afford. And those will also surface. That will occur once again. One of the initial items to sell may be that. Additionally, those notes will be referred to as such if the duration is lengthy. Not that we need to be concerned about it at the moment, but it could turn out to be a major issue. For the time being, it will only be up here. The spot volume of Bitcoin ETFs is visible. Some argue that exchange-traded funds are meaningless. You lack self-control. Today, we broke a new milestone by reaching $7.5 billion. Dark night rises. It matters that their ETF was $5 billion on its own. This product opens the asset available to a flood of new investors and capital, but I'm not suggesting that you should utilize it instead of holding the cryptocurrency directly. A lot of individuals can invest appropriately in this field, and it's a significant problem. Last but not least, Sue fell down, and here we have Justin Bonds attempting to explain it. Take note that this blockchain is still in its early stages. Everything is operational again. The cost remained unchanged. In the end, it's all that counts. Come on, let's check out Sue. Oh, where are we? We are up around 1% on the day, number 14. The network went down, knocked us down for a while, and now we're up 1% for the day. This is a bull run. It's irrelevant. Just look at you, you can't keep your mind on a single thing. Some people think Litecoin will never go down, and that's true. The network in question is always available. You may recall the early days of the XRP ledger, when many ledgers were lost. Consider Ethereum, they were hacked and forced to roll back the entire blockchain, much like the Cardinals in a baseball game. Must have done it. Just with Solana in its early days, Sweet keeps going offline and crashing, which might be troublesome and frighten off investors. However, as a singular event, they're receiving a ton of traffic on that blockchain. Hopefully, this won't become a trend. Taking a bird's-eye view is essential. What is the rate of adoption? Your knowledge is like a lock on a key. You can't focus on a single indicator in isolation, the full picture is what matters. From time to time, people become mired in these issues. Something to continue monitoring. In my opinion, it will not happen again. It's probably a good day for Sweet to have that difficulty, because in today's bullish climate, it didn't matter, and the price moved up 1%. AP Dosage has had a lot more trouble with this than Sweet has. And I believe that they will keep climbing the rankings and being a fantastic performer this bull run, provided that they don't have recurring issues like this. We should check ADA's activities for the day. On a 24-hour basis, 10% or about 11. Yes, this enjoyable period will last for some time. Always keep in mind that although there may be downturns and setbacks, the overall trend is upward for a considerable amount of time. My video would not have been seen without you. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.